So before I jump into this content, before I start talking about these interesting scenarios which I prepared for you guys, please do me a favor and destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, as you can see guys, the USDT dominance is clearly losing strength and also looks like heading towards this lower trend line from this descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish continuation pattern. But before this bullish continuation pattern starts playing out, first there could be a move towards this lower trend line, and USDT dominance heading towards this lower trend line means the entire crypto market is going to profit from it. And why? Because USDT dominance fading out means the crypto total market cap will continue this bullish breakout. I mean, when we broke the resistance, when we broke the horizontal trend line resistance in the past price action, it resulted in a very, very bullish move. I mean, when we broke out of the previous high, when we broke out of certain line of resistance, the crypto total market cap after that went very, very bullish. And if you look in our case, we already overcame the resistance which rejected us a couple of times in the past price action and even flipped that into support after a retest. So if this here is going to result in another continuation just like from this past price action, then you can see according to this crypto total market cap, the entire crypto market is looking bullish. And that's why guys, that is the reason why we are expecting this falling wedge scenario to continue. I mean on my previous video I showed you guys there could be a retest around 95 to 100,000 before showing a move like this. But if you look at it right now, it looks like there is no retest. I mean, there is no pullback around 95 to 100,000, but a move like this, I mean, Bitcoin getting attracted towards 110, 120,000 to form a new all-time high before continuing this actual bearish move. And why are we expecting the price of Bitcoin after getting attracted around 120,000 to show a continuation like this? Because for now, this is actually a bullish continuation pattern. I mean, if you look at this descending channel, this is a bullish breakout. Bitcoin has already overcome the resistance which rejected us twice, and now after retest, it looks like a continuation pattern. So this continuation pattern also clearly shows us that a new all-time high is imminent for Bitcoin, along with this symmetrical triangle top breakout. Yes, guys, even with this symmetrical triangle top breakout, you can see Bitcoin is expected to show a continuation here to the upside, and even the price opportunity from this symmetrical triangle will clearly result in a continuation where the price is expected to form a new all-time high. Yes, guys, even according to this symmetrical triangle, you can see the price of Bitcoin is expected to form a new all-time high. But what I want you guys to look at before expecting this bullish continuation playing out, support around this monthly R1 line. Yes, guys, if the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term manages to find support above this R1 line which sits around 104,000, then there is a very, very high possibility of price heading towards to form a new all-time high. And according to this leading indicator, we are going to focus on these two targets which has already been placed for the month of January. I mean, first target was 104,000. That's exactly where we are. Second target is 114,000. And the no-brainer target is around 121,000, which is our monthly R3 line. But we have to be careful. I mean, if the price starts showing a move like this, after finding support around this monthly R1 line, heading towards this monthly R2, even up to this R3 line, we have to be careful, because in that case, parallelly, price will also complete this Elliott wave theory function. I mean, this is our impulsive wave. We are on our way to form this bullish or impulsive wave 5. So if this continues, I mean, if the bullish move continues, then you can see 120,000 or around that area is where we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted. And after that, to start with a corrective move A, B, C. Yes, guys, I personally think there is a very high possibility of price heading towards 120,000, even a little bit higher than that. And right after that, to start with a corrective move A, B, C. And why corrective move? Because if you look at this price action of Bitcoin using this rising channel, right now, this rising channel upper trend line is acting as a strong line of resistance. To the downside, it is acting as a strong line of support. So if this bullish move continues, according to this rising channel, you can see there is a possibility of price testing this upper trend line one more time and then start with another continuation like this. So if this plays out, if the price of Bitcoin starts heading towards this upper trend line, just like from this past price action before continuing this bearish move, then parallelly you can see even this Elliott wave corrective move ABC will play out. Yes guys, this is the reason why price remaining above 104,000 in the immediate short term could be resulting in another bullish continuation towards this monthly R2 line and even up to R3 line. But after that, we have to be careful, and the reason is very simple. I mean, if you look at this right angle broadening top pattern, if the price of Bitcoin gets attracted towards the upper trend line, right, then you can see even according to this bearish continuation pattern, after reaching the upper trend line, which could bring the price of Bitcoin around 120,000, 125,000, we could be starting with another continuation to the downside. So that is another reason Bitcoin has a very, very high probability of testing the resistance around 120, even up to 125,000 before starting with an actual corrective move. And now, beside this right angle broadening top, which is pointing us 120, 125,000 could be on the line, beside the price target from this, beside this ascending channel, which is also pointing us 120, 125,000 could be on the line. This Elliott wave theory is pointing us 120, 125,000 could be on the line. And now even the cup and handle pattern in a weekly time frame is pointing us 120, 125,000 could be on the line. And why? Because that's the price opportunity from this cup and handle pattern in a weekly time frame. Yes guys, even according to this cup and handle pattern, you can see 120, 125,000 for now will be looked as our upcoming target for Bitcoin. But right after that, we have to be careful because the price could be starting with another continuation to the downside. I mean, an actual corrective wave, just like as shown here in an Elliott wave theory function. I mean, ABC corrective move. So please, guys, please, for now, I just want you to focus on this monthly R1 line. I mean, our support around 103, 104,000, right? That is a very important support for us. And as long as we remain above that trend line, you can see, according to our Bollinger Band, since we have already broken out of the upper band, there is a very, very high probability of price continue in this manner. I mean, upper band only gets broken during uptrend. So that's why, since we have already broken out of this upper band, upcoming days for Bitcoin is expected to be bullish, and any sort of a pullback, the central line now will be acting as support additional to this monthly R1 line or CPI trend line. And even according to our Williams alligator indicator, I mean, if you look at this Williams alligator indicator, even according to this Williams alligator indicator, this is a bullish crossover. Green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom only happens during uptrend. So just like this one here, any sort of a pullback, this Williams alligator indicator will be acting as support, and price after that is expected to show a move like this. So now any sort of a pullback, even this Williams alligator indicator, the basis line from this Bollinger Band, CPI indicator will be acting as support for Bitcoin, and price after that is expected to head towards this 120, 125,000 range. Yes guys, the upcoming days for Bitcoin now is turning very, very bullish. But please be aware, we have to hold the support which we have from this monthly R1 line around 103, 104,000 for this bullish continuation to play out. Otherwise, we have to wait a little bit longer. But the overall sentiment is still looking bullish for Bitcoin. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.